Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, let's learn how to lock Facebook profile. So just follow all my steps, don't skip videos. So open up your Facebook app, go press the three lines at the top right corner of the app, go to your profile, then press the three dots at the right corner. So you see that the profile lock option is not showing up. If you turn in professional mode on Facebook, you cannot lock your Facebook profile. So first you need to turn off professional mode, go to professional mode option, and press continue. Now press the turn off option at the bottom. So close it. Now you can see the profile lock option is showing now. Press lock profile option. Now press the lock your profile option. So congratulations, you locked your profile. By this easy way, you can easily lock your profile Facebook. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time.